Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making the environment stable. Plug in your laptop and use a wired or reliable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Once done, export your Trade Tiger settings and watch lists to a backup file so you can restore quickly if needed. Now quit the application and temporarily disable any VPN or personal firewall that might block the installer. This sequence reduces risk and ensures the installer can reach servers without being blocked. You next fetch the official installer, use the app's updater or the platform's download option, and confirm you grabbed the latest package. Make sure the file size matches expected values and check the digital signature if offered, because that prevents corrupted or malicious files. Then right-click and run the installer as administrator, accept permissions and follow prompts. During installation, watch for optional components and choose to keep your existing data unless you want a clean install. Finally, restart your laptop to finalize driver and service updates that the installer may have applied. After reboot, open Trade Tiger, sign in and restore your backed up profiles and watch lists. Verify that real-time quotes and order placement function as expected. If something goes wrong, check the installer and application logs, rerun the installer in repair mode, or uninstall and reinstall. If errors persist, collect logs and contact support. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.